Hi, good morning, yeah. Today we are going to make Navaratri special buckwheat flour say. We are making banana bhaji. Nicely. Small twist. Come on, yeah, no late. Come. This is my home garden. Yeah, how fresh this one see, banana. Actually, how to cut. Oh, everybody knows, yeah, how to cut and all. But anyhow, some people don't know. So just I'm showing, that's all. You have to peel it. Already I cut it and kept it like this only. Then I said, okay, fine. Just I want to show how to do all properly, otherwise we'll be confused when you're making it, like this only. This is the main tip. I'll put some buttermilk in this, otherwise it will become very black. See, because of buttermilk only the color is not changed, because totally iron this one. So have a look here. Yeah. That is very very important, yeah, please, okay, don't forget about that. And I put little bit salt also. I'm not going to boil this one, I'm making budgies like that only. So that is only one tip, yeah. See, I'm making long ones actually, like this only you have to cut. See, make it little bit thick, not very thin. Yeah, this is the consistency and all, okay. Again you put it in the buttermilk. That's all. Soak it little while. Then that's it, yeah. Don't waste all these things. You have to put it in the plants only. No wastage, okay. Come on, I'll make it very easy. Come. See, yeah, now I'm adding the salt. Yes. Okay. Now chili powder. I like little bit spicy too. Little more. And this is the jeera powder. This is to taste actually. Garam masala. Yes. Now you can mix it well with the water. See. See now. Have a look. This is very very sticky. You have to be careful when. Otherwise you can make the dosa also in this. Very nice when you're eating with the onion. Next time I'll put it in my Instagram. I'll make the dosas. See. See, yeah, it will become like this only. You have to be, then only the banana, everything will be cooked. Mix it nicely. See. See this one consistency. Like this only, like a cake batter. Nice. Now you want to add more chili powder, whatever you can taste and see, then you can add it whatever you want it. But already I measure it and I kept it. Okay, now we'll make it. See, I told, tip actually totally iron. See how it will become in a black, That's what I told you. This is good for your health. And after I'm putting in the water, this is the buttermilk, See the color. It's not changed. This is only important, In the restaurants, hotels and all, it will make the blackish. This is my mother's tip, and other people also, so many other people also, they know that. So just I'm sharing this one. That's all. Just I'm putting here to tap it here so nicely with the cloth. I told you, I'm not use other things actually. This is much better. So reuse, sustainability. I am always like that only. So yeah, you have to add this one only, this banana. Okay. So see nicely like this. This batter, actually slimy like this. So you have to be little bit careful and while putting. See, it will come like that. How slimy it's coming, no? Again, medium flame. My gas is toppa, it's going. Okay, now again I'll add it. Just in the gas. See this only. How crunchy, I can't even tell you. Just I'll show how crunchy this one. Just I'll put it this one also. 1 minute. Well, this atta is Actually, they use potato. First time I'm using the banana. Actually, I will try how to it will go. You have to be very careful when you're putting, please. That is only my advice. But this is very tasty, very crunchy. Actually, I don't know, ba. So tasty. I love it. With the curd only, you have to eat this one. Otherwise, maybe some fasting they can take the pudina chutney. I don't know, but I didn't even make that one also. See, now this is done. See the color? Just I'm making off. Yeah. See, yeah, my pakoda is ready. Now I'll taste very hot actually. Which one is? Yeah, this is I think better. Very crunchy actually that. Very, very tasty. I can't even tell you. This Navratri, you people can try and let me know. Enjoy healthy Navratri. That's all.